Hey, thanks for tuning in to another tasting experience. My name is Key. All right, here we go. Big shout out to Blackjack Portables for today's content. What we have here is Rowley's Red Barn strawberry syrup. Now, the ingredients are super simple. Let's see. And oh, this is non-alcoholic. Strawberry juice, citric acid, and sugar. And these guys are out of Utah, so it's a neighboring state. So unopened. So just three ingredients, right? So I wonder, my question is, will it be delicious? We're going to put it inside this little shot glass here, and I'm going to taste it. That's straight up strawberry. Smells like strawberry compote. Yeah, that's strawberry, baby. So let's see. It's pretty goopy. It's syrupy. I think that's plenty. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells amazing. It's really nice. All right. And just get you guys. There it is. Looking pretty fly. Uh-oh. Camera moved. There you go. Center stage. Here we go. I don't care. You know what this tastes like? Now I'm going to say it, and I dare anyone to argue with me. It tastes like Smucker's jam. Yeah. That tastes like Smucker's jam. That's like the only thing I like on my peanut butter and sandwiches. You know what I mean? That is good. It's not sweet, but it's strawberry. It's good. Man, that is really tasty. For only three simple ingredients, yeah, that's going on all sorts of things. Ice cream, make yourself some nice strawberry milkshake. Now I gotta make strawberry drink like chocolate milk, strawberry milk. Yeah, there's a lot of versatility with the syrup. Really good. Not overbearingly sweet. It's just right. It's like on par with like real maple syrup, where it's not too sweet. That is really nice. You know what? I would probably jazz it up just a touch. For me, I throw like a vanilla bean in there just to give it a little bit some characteristics with some sweets, but that's just me, just to have a little fun with it. But overall, for three simple ingredients, that is a really good syrup. So definitely check them out. Highly recommend it. And until next time, guys, cheers.